Hello. How is everybody doing today? I'm not feeling super 100% today. Not feeling very great, and it's kind of been an off day for me, but I got my Fandom of the Month box in the mail, and I figured what better way to kind of feel a little bit better on an off day than to unbox it. And I actually have no idea what to expect this month. Either she didn't give any hints or I was just too busy to notice. I don't know. So I'm pretty excited to find out what's inside. So let's open her up and let's check it out. There we go. All right, are you excited? I'm pretty excited. I have no idea what to expect. So, what is this? Alice in Wonderland. Oh my goodness. So this is my little Fandom of the Month Club member card. Oh, the magnet. How cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see what's inside. I'm a huge fairy tale, all kinds of that fan, so okay, so in my last one I showed you guys the little fabric satchel that it comes in. And so this one says, how long is forever? Sometimes just 1 second. I love this box already. Okay, item 1. I think it's a necklace, and I think I'm gonna wear it every single day. Okay, so it's definitely a necklace. Oh, and it's super long, which is the best. I love when they make super long necklaces. And look what's on it. So we've got a little heart, little teapot, a little pocket watch. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. A little key, a little rose, and a little vial that says drink on it. There we go. Drink me. Oh, it says drink me. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, so item 1, success. I'm really liking this so far. Okay, item 2. Cute. It's a little teacup in a saucer ring. And it even has like tea inside. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I was not expecting any of this, so this is really awesome. What else is in here? 4 items. We're all mad here. Little earrings that say we're all mad here. Aren't these adorable? Yes. In love with this. In love with this. Okay, last thing. So cute. And it has the little rabbit in it. I'm actually really happy that I decided to open this and unbox this today, even though I kind of feel like shit, because now I feel even just a little bit better. I cannot wait to wear all of this fabulous stuff. I'm probably gonna wear it all tomorrow. This necklace though, I still can't get over this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so to quickly recap this wonderful box this month, started out with this awesome magnet with the hat on it. And then I unboxed this amazing necklace. All of these cute little things on it. Yes, as you can see. And then I got this teacup saucer ring. Has a little spoon on it and everything. How adorable is this ring right here? Then we got these amazing earrings that say we're all mad here. I love it. And then this fabulous bracelet. So that is my fandom of the month this month. And again, the little satchel. Yeah, so once again, if you guys do not subscribe to Fandom of the Month, seriously, go to this website and subscribe because it is fabulous. I love the stuff that they send me, and I'm in absolute love with this month. Oh my goodness, I love it. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a good old thumbs up. And don't forget to go and subscribe to me on Twitch now. I'm having a really fun time streaming, as well as follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. And again, hit the little red subscribe button below and share and like, and I will see you next time.